Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but today we're checking out these Urban Shark headphones, Bluetooth. These wireless Bluetooth things are super popular all over the place. I think about 5 years ago, the big thing to get at Christmas was one of these Bluetooth, actually no, a Bluetooth speaker, the Bluetooth speaker, not headset. And then as time goes on, the batteries became more and more popular, and here we have the Bluetooth headset. Now, whoa! Okay, I was not expecting that to happen. Now, I did already open these and try them out, and I definitely did not mean to do that, but it did happen. Okay, so ultimately these things stick in your head, and these things are freaking huge. They're freaking huge, and they feel freaking huge. Let me compare it to your standard knockoff AirPods. So here they are, right next to your standard AirPods. Once again, these things are huge. You can feel them. And the sound, not that good. Not that good. Anyways, I was planning on doing a teardown of them, but I guess I got ahead of myself, and bam, these things decided to break out anyways. So one thing I'm interested to see is I don't see a battery over here. Relatively good soldering. Got the two buttons. I suppose that has to be the antenna right there. LED, that's to get her to kick in. And here we have the chip. What does that say? Man, that's small. I cannot even read that. I take it away from the camera thinking I'll read it better with my eyes, but nope, it doesn't work that way. It does not work that way. But yeah. So I assume this will be easy enough to get back in, but I won't mess with that on camera right now. Anyways, yeah, let's take a look at the other side. How did that break so easily? I swear I haven't even been into these things yet. Anyways. Alright, there we go. The battery was under the other side. That's the charging side. I should have known. Of course, we got these little batteries from China. These old cheap batteries have taken us a long way, and there's a lot we can do with them, but if they don't build them right, they will explode. It has happened. It's batteries like this, really cheap batteries like this, that have exploded in e-cigarette units, or at least they used to back in the day. Haven't heard of that happening in a while, though, honestly. Maybe they finally got it figured out. But yeah, over here is where we charge it, and that's where the battery is. And then, of course, we get the cables for, I imagine, audio and power coming on over here. So that's all there is to it. Maybe I could have a look at the speaker though. They fit in the unit very nicely, or they fit in your head very nicely, but there we go. Look at that little itty bitty speaker. It's so cute. It's so cute. It gives telephone level of sound though. Telephone level of sound. But yeah, that's what we got. And that is the Urban Shark wireless headphones. That's right. Anyways, folks, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like the stuff. You know how it goes. Always appreciate it, folks. And as always, take care of each other.